Hello everyone! In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to add assets from the IconScout add-in into our PowerPoint to make stunning presentations. Let's start! We can begin by adding IconScout add-in from the File menu, then choose More Add-ins. From here, search for IconScout. After that, we can add IconScout add-in and grant the required access. Once that's done, we can access the add-in from File menu, choose Get Add-in, and go to My Add-ins, then pick IconScout. In the very first time, we'll need to log in through the web and grant access to the IconScout library. Now let's search for any assets that can complement and delight each of our slides. For the first slide, let's explore space objects. For example, search for planet. Now we have tons of delightful planet assets to complement our slide. We have icons with many style options, 2D and 3D illustrations, and also animations. We also have filters that can help us choose different styles so that they suit our design better. Exciting, right? And that's the basic. After that, we can pick this orange bright planet, then we can import and place it on our slide. In animation, we also have import option, so it's up to you if you want to have small size GIF with small GIF or high quality GIF with GIF. Then let's insert. After that, let's say we want to have 3D style planet. We can move to 3D tab and choose any asset. For this one, let's go with the red planet. And now, add some more visuals to the slide. Perfect! Let's add a 2D illustration on the next slide. We can search for astronaut. Good! Now we can go to the Illustration tab and choose the astronaut assets. Then we can import that to our slide. There are different import options for each asset type, and you can choose whichever you prefer. From here, let's insert. Want to personalize these assets so they match your brand colors? No worries, we've got you covered. Just click on the color wheel icon and create a new palette. Give it a name and choose the colors you like. You can add as many as you want, but since I want to have a purple icon to complete my infographic slide, I'll pick the purple color from here. After that, let's apply it. Let's add more visuals to complete the slide. Let's add in a solar system. To complement the slide, let's search for solar system. For this case, 3D might work best. Let's choose the one we like and import it. From there, assets can also be flipped in PowerPoint by right-clicking, searching for flip horizontally or vertically, and you are good to go. And that's it! We have successfully learned how to power up our presentation with IconScout add-in for PowerPoint. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Till next time!